is one of those products that either you love it or you can't stand it because of the smell. But it can serve so many wonderful purposes for you in your home. So in this video, I wanted to show you 4 of my favorite ways that I use vinegar to make cleaning just a little bit easier. One area that tends to get a little funky in the kitchen is the refrigerator. There is always some sort of smell. Even if you use baking soda, you might find that sometimes there's still just a lingering odor. So this is where vinegar is gonna come in to help you out. You're gonna start by filling a container completely with vinegar. So you wanna then take your cup of vinegar and place it right on into your refrigerator, and it will actually absorb a lot of the odor that you have going on. The next place that vinegar can be very helpful is in your dishwasher. Now, if you find from time to time you get those water spots, even if you use a rinse aid, or there are times where you actually just get buildup in your actual dishwasher, vinegar is a great way to help alleviate that. Pour vinegar into a cup. Place the cup right in the top rack of your dishwasher. You're gonna add your detergent and run a cycle as normal. So the third way that I like to use vinegar is actually in the laundry. Vinegar is amazing to soften your clothes, remove some extra dirt and grime, and actually brighten without harsh chemicals. As I am starting a new load, I actually will add vinegar to the bleach and softening sections of my washing machine and then run the cycle as usual. Once the load is complete, your clothes will be soft and brighter, and no, they won't smell like vinegar. So the fourth way that I like to use vinegar in my home is to trap smells from my kitchen. So I actually made Tabitha Brown's oyster mushrooms the other day, which were absolutely delicious. However, I didn't care for the extra fry smell that lingered behind once dinner was over. And this is where vinegar is going to come in and be so helpful in removing odors from your kitchen. You're gonna start with a pot of water. You're gonna have 2 parts water, and then you're going to add 1 part vinegar. Bring this to a boil. Make sure you keep an eye on it. And as it boils, the vinegar will actually remove and trap the smells lingering in your kitchen. Now, you might be saying, okay, Dana, these are all great, but I still don't care for the actual vinegar smell. Then I have a little bonus tip for you in how you can actually continue to use vinegar but cut the smell just a little bit. Let me show you. So the bonus tip is to actually infuse your vinegar with citrus. So these are old citrus peels that I have from tangerines. Oh, there's a sticker on that one. From old tangerines and oranges, and I think there's even some lemon peels in here. And then I actually just fill this up with vinegar and let it infuse for about a week or 2. If you don't have any citrus peels, you can actually use essential oils. And over time, what you find is the infusion will actually cut the vinegar smell, so all that's left behind is citrus. So those are just 4 simple ways that you can use vinegar in your home. As I said, I could go on, and I'll probably do a series because there's so many different ways that vinegar can be used in your home and even outside actually as well. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave some comments down below and let me know what you think. Does the vinegar smell bother you? Do you think you'll be trying some of these tips? I would love to hear your feedback in the comments down below. And if you are not currently subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video each and every Sunday. And outside of uploading videos on YouTube, if you're ever wondering what the heck I'm doing, you can actually check me out on my TikTok channel at I am Dana Finay. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.